This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to launch the Google Play Store. Here at the typing bar, simply type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, tap on this blue continue button that appears right at the very bottom of your screen. Next, decide whether some of the options this app has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip this step by tapping on this option right here. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And at final, you are able to choose what permissions and accesses are going to be granted to Opera. You can customize them by tapping on the customize button, decide the cookies, data collection options, etc, etc, or simply allow everything that it needs. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.